Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm in a new location. That down there is the little village of Avadronis. I've made my way up the mountainside, and that up there is a trail. So today we've got the WPL B24 with the good old rock pod setup. I've got a WPL 2-speed gearbox in there, 7.4 volt lithium ion battery. We've got metal drive shafts and metal gear internals in there, and we're running with the Austar AX6 transmitter receiver. And yep, this is some uncharted turf. Found myself a new trail. So yeah, let's hit the trail. I'm going to be running this trail mostly in first gear, or the slow gear as I like to call it, as it gives you a really nice controlled crawl, and helps you get up the tricky stuff as well. So that is flat out there in first gear. Let me just show you as a comparison. I'm going to put it in second. A lot more wheel speed there. Like I said, I'm going to be using the first slow gear just so I can have control. I really do love the control you get with this 2-speed gearbox. So I've found a nice little scale trail to attempt. A very nice little track indeed. Let's see if the B24 can get up it. This is pretty steep. The camera's not doing this this hill any justice. Low and slow. And this is why I like coming to places I've never been before. We're getting breathtaking views, and I think I've just stumbled across a crawling mecca. Hills here, steep inclines up there. I think that's where I'm going to be heading. Have a look up there. I'm definitely coming up here for another trailing session. Wow, quite a drop down there. So this hill is ridiculously steep now. I'll try and find a nice line up. Loose and muddy. Oh, look at that control. Come on, B. Dig in deep. I'm not finding any traction there. There we go, there we go. Ah, come on, B. Wow. Yeah, this is silly steep. I'm having a job standing here now trying to film this. Somehow those B36 tyres are finding grip. Come on. That's him. Snake your way up. Wow. Oh, steady. I don't want to be tumbling down there. No! Wow, so we just took an almighty tumble. Knocked the wing mirror loose. I think everything seems okay and in one piece still. Wow. Little durable trucks to say the least. Oof, I think I gotta leave it there, guys, just to show you how steep that is there. I don't think I can. The camera does not do these angles any justice, but yeah, we nearly got up there. Until next time, cheers for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.